in something that technically doesn't actually exist. It's an illusion, optical. Surrealism is just, I find surrealistic art to be quite a fascinating phenomenon, because some of these artists who do juxtaposition of incongruity, your mind has to be quite your mind has to be so unorthodox, because the juxtaposition sometimes is so incoherent. Sometimes these two polarity in objects that emerges together have no commonality whatsoever. And I try to figure out, like, how does that artist in his mind find merge these two objects together, these two polarity together, and find a cohesiveness, a single